Now, how do these ingredients actually work to clean your clothes? Well, let's talk about borax first. Borax and other borates clean and bleach by converting some water molecules into hydrogen peroxide. This reaction is more favorable in hotter water. The pH of borax is about 9.5, so it produces a basic solution in water, thereby increasing the effectiveness of bleach and other cleaners. Essentially, borax acts as a buffer, maintaining a stable pH needed to maintain cleansing chemical reactions. Now moving on to the washing soda, or also known as sodium carbonate. It quote-unquote softens water by helping other cleaning ingredients lift soil from the fabrics and suspend the soil in the wash water. The washing soda binds to the minerals which make water hard and allows the detergent to be absorbed into fibers properly to clean. Now when you put this in a reaction with water, sodium carbonate is the disodium salt of carbonic acid with alkalizing property. When dissolved in water, sodium carbonate forms carbonic acid and sodium hydroxide. As a strong base, sodium hydroxide neutralizes gastric acid, thereby acting as an antacid. All in all these ingredients will begin to react slowly inside the washing machine to give you your brand new clean clothes. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.